Hey, hi everyone. Today's update from Tata ELXI, Finastra, and Accenture. And Tata ELXI is hiring for software engineer, and salary they are offering is 3.6 lakh per annum. And qualification required is BE, btech, ME, mtech, MC, and MSc. And MS are eligible for this position. And location is only for Bangalore, and batch allow only from 2021 and 2022. And freshers can also apply for this job, so you can find all these links in description box below. Also you can search in our website JobsArea.in, and these are the most recent updates, so check out this one also. And selection process is for Tata ELXI is those who qualify will be invited to a 120-minute online proctor test, which we have verbal, analytical, and coding MCQ and coding rounds, and about which we will notify you in advance. And criteria for this position is btech, me, mtech, and ms, mc, and MSc students with no backlogs and no more than 1 year gap in education from 2021 to 2022 batch are eligible, and a minimum 60 percentage or 6 CGPA in aggregates from 10th, 12th, and UG and PG is required. And undergraduate or postgraduate studies, computer science, electrical and electronics, electronics and communication, instrumentation, information science, embedded, cybersecurity, data science, artificial intelligence, machine learning, automotive electronics, applied electronics, mechatronics, and computer application, biomedical engineering, biotechnology, and medical electronics engineering are the only specialization that can be applied for this job position. And preferred skills are quick learner and team player, excellent communication skill, multitasking, and excellent team player. And use this link to apply for this job. You will redirect it to a Microsoft form. Basically it's a Microsoft form from a Tata ELXI. So if you want to read more about job position, so you can read from here and select here your passing year and your current college and your state, your full name, contact number, email ID, your gender, date of birth, your percentage in 10th and 12th. And if you having a diploma, so mention here, or if you're having not, so mention other and enter your answer. And highest qualification, your UG and PG, so select from here which college and all these things. If you have any gaps, so select yes, no, and use your specialization and your percentage and programming your skills, primary language, and any offer in hand, so select if you have yes. So if you don't have, select no, and submit this form. And next update is from Finastra, and Finastra is hiring for position is hiring challenge, and salary they are offering is 6 to 8 lakh per annum. And qualification required is BE Tech, ME Tech, MC, MSc, and MS are eligible for this position. And location is only Bangalore and Pune, and batch allow only 2021 2022, and expense required is 0 to 1 year. You can find this link in description box below. And job responsibility is your C, C++, Java, Python are examples of programming languages. And you have knowledge about Oracle, DB2, and PostgreSQL, and excellent communication and analytical abilities. Create toolset, infrastructure, frameworks, modules, and service for automation developer, and create and maintain tools, task group, and agent images for use in continuous integration pipelines. DevOps, cloud enablement developers, and IT teams should collaborate. Automation engineers should be mentored and led in the implementation of an automation framework, and implementing and supporting proof of concept projects, and should be creative and spread new technologies and initiatives among teams. And hiring challenge rules, Finastra hiring challenge has a time limit of 30 minutes for MCQ round and 180 minutes for your coding round. And when you click the solve problem button, then problem statement will be displayed, and on the problem statement page there is an live coding environment where you can code and compile your code. And once you finish writing your code, a default test case will be used to validate it. And preferred skills are, you can read from here, and use this link to apply for this position from Finastra. It will redirect it to your text gig Finastra position. Job notification, you can read from here. It is a challenge, so from here you can start the challenge. And next update is from your Accenture. And Accenture is hiring for business process design, and salary they're offering is 3.6 lakh per annum, and qualification required is any graduate, and location is Hyderabad, and batch allow from 2017 to 2022, and experience required is 0 to 2 years. And you can find this link in description box below. Job responsibility in this role, you must solve routine problems primarily through precedent and reference to general guidelines. Your main point of contact is with your team and your direct supervisor. You will be given a detailed instruction on all tasks that must be completed, and your decision will be have an impact on your work, and you will need to be familiar with basic statistics and business terms in order to communicate effectively with stakeholders, and you will collaborate closely with project members to ensure that the requirements are met, and you will work as an individual contributor as a part of the team with a defined scope of work. And criteria is to any graduate degree from any discipline and committed to quality in all aspects, including security and performance, and interpersonal communication and presentation skills are second one. And preferred skills are capability to build strong client relationship and quick learning required, agility, analytical abilities that are exceptional, and verbal and written communication, capability of meeting deadlines. And you can use this link to apply for this job. You will redirect it to Accenture's careers page, and here you can find more about the job position, and from here you can apply for this job. Thank you.